Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. Does this building block set look a little familiar? Well, that's because it's modeled after the famous Japanese artwork called The Great Wave. I was blown away at how organized this set was and how easy the instructions were to understand. There's 11 packages of pieces, so it was nice to do the set in stages. I love that it came with this background. It really adds another level of interest to the finished project. My favorite part is how there are so many smooth pieces. It really finishes off the final look so nicely. Every detail about this puzzle has been well thought out. Even the 2 boats that are in the original artwork are included. Such a nice touch. And I had such a good time putting it together. I honestly didn't want it to end. This building block set from Nifeliz is exceptional. It's really the details in every little piece that really sets it apart from others. And that's my point of view.